In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple tabs across Google Sheets files. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to tidy up your spreadsheets efficiently. Managing large sets of data across several tabs can often get overwhelming, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps to clean up your workspace in no time. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. If you haven't done so already, sign in with your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you should see a list of your available spreadsheets. Go ahead and click on the sheet where you want to delete multiple tabs. This will open the document and display the various tabs, usually located at the bottom of your screen. Now identify the first tab in the sequence that you want to delete. This is the tab you'll click first to initiate the selection. Once you've clicked on that tab, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. This is a crucial step because holding Shift allows you to select multiple tabs in a contiguous sequence. With the Shift key pressed, continue to the final tab you want to include in the deletion. By clicking on this last tab, you'll notice that all the tabs between the first and last are now highlighted, indicating they've been selected. With all your intended tabs selected, look for the small downward-facing arrow beside any of the tab names you chose. This arrow will bring up a context menu with several options. From these options, click on Delete. Doing so will prompt a confirmation message, typically asking if you're sure you want to delete the selected tabs. This is to prevent accidental loss of data, so it's always a good idea to double-check that these are indeed the tabs you intend to remove. If you're confident in your selection, proceed by clicking OK on the confirmation dialog box. This action finalizes the deletion process, permanently removing the selected tabs from your spreadsheet. Keep in mind, once deleted, recovering these tabs may not be possible unless you have a prior backup or version history that includes them. So, ensure that you no longer need these tabs before you confirm. Congratulations! You've now successfully learned how to delete multiple tabs in Google Sheets, clearing up space and potentially boosting the efficiency of your data management. By following these steps, you can maintain an organized workspace, making it easier to focus on your most critical data. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been both informative and useful. Until next time, have a great day navigating your digital spreadsheets.